Alright, here's another updated video. This is what pretty much almost the finish line is going to be looking like. Got the disc brakes on. Hopefully everything is lined up properly. It all works out. So now I'm just going to be installing the upper control arms, and then I had to hook up the e-brake cable over here, right there. And then I was going to install the aluminum drive shaft, and I believe that should pretty much be about it. Hook up the brake lines, of course. I gotta drill a hole here to make this bracket fit there properly. And other than that, maybe some minor touch-ups, but yeah, I think getting pretty close now.